Hello. This video will walk you through the steps of getting started with Microsoft Teams. So signing into your account, setting up a team, and inviting your student to join you in a class. So first of all, we'll just open up a new tab on our web browser. And the first thing you'll do is go to teams.microsoft.com. So again, that's teams.microsoft.com. And here, this will take you to the sign-in page. If you already have an account with Microsoft, you can sign in here. This might be your Outlook email or any other email address, Gmail, Hotmail, etc., that's connected to Microsoft. If you don't have an account, that's no problem. You can create one. We'll have another video talking about creating an account. But for here, if you do have an account, you just sign in here. I'm going to sign in with my Outlook account. Of course, you'll just enter your password there. And here you have two options. You can use the web app or you can download the Windows app. Either one is fine. We're going to use the web app today. And here, if you're using this for the first time, you might not have an organization to join. But if you do, you can you can choose one of them. Then that'll just sign in here. Okay, great. So now you're ready to create a team, and this is how you can start a class. So we're going to go down to the bottom left-hand corner, join or create a team, and we're going to click Create Team. Here it will have an option, two options. You're going to choose the top one, Build a Team from Scratch. Okay, make it a private team. This means that people will need your permission to join, so it'll make your team more secure. So we're going to click on that. Okay, here you can choose any name for your team. We're going to use the name of a class, so we might say Spanish. Say we have an advanced Spanish class with our student who's play Crockett. Okay, and then you just click Create. So this is the name of the level, this is the name of the student. You can use any name you want. Then we click Create. Okay, great. So now we've created our team. The next thing we want to do is add members. And so this is the part where you invite your students to join the team. So all you do is type your student's email all you do is type your student's email here. So just have, just type email. And okay, great. So now you have your team here, and you can see that we've added our team member here. It's showing he's offline right now. And you can talk to your student here. So you just say, hey, Spanish class. Great. And your student can reply to you here. And then when you're ready to start your class, all you do is you can go down to the bottom until you find the Meet Now icon with a little video camera. So you can tell your student, ready I'll call you now. And then you just go here and just say meet now, and then you call your student. And that's it.